Hi, my name is Jeff Kranz. I am an engineering manager and I work for a plastic packaging firm. It's been family owned since 1890 and we are now in our 7th generation of ownership. This is our newest and our most modern facility. We originally started out with Conair, meeting them at the NPE a few years back, and I became interested in the true rate because it allowed us to get rid of blenders. But the true rate gives us point of use, and the true feeds give us the ability to bring the blender down, so to speak, onto the floor and keep everything within line of operation. So it saved money, it saved time, and it saves, steps for the operators, and it's a much more efficient process. 99.9% of our material comes in bulk rail car. So we use the Conair push-pull system to vacuum from the rail cars and then push into the silos. One of the things that we had issues with in previous plants was kind of the stringing of the material. So we went with the HammerTech elbows here, and we were able to eliminate that completely. We use the LD pumps to pull from the silos to the individual machines. Having the filterless receivers on those machines cuts down on maintenance. We went with that because the old filter systems that we used to use would clog up a lot. This has been maintenance free. So when those pumps pull to those receivers on the machines, they're sample weighed and fed into the machines and plasticized. The true feeds drop the color right into the resin stream, plasticize and inject and make our parts. We have plans to bring all of our true rates and our true feeds online with the Smart FLX. So right now we can go to the point of use, we can reset that after we finish an order and reconcile with the BOM, which is our bill of material. And we like what that does. So when this subscription runs out and we move in to add more machines later this year, we'll bring them all online. I've worked with Conair in previous companies. Conair really was on the edge when we were looking at, we were really drawn in by the true rate. And now it's just something that's out there that just does its job. So there's not a lot of issues with it. The fact that we can have the potential now with smart services to collect data, you're going to eventually, what our target is to remove that paperwork and more do it automated, whether that involves AI or something less than that. But that's what we're looking at doing. We've discussed some options for the resin systems, the RSS tables. So I'm kind of interested to get involved with what more I could do to make that automated. That's always the goal, right? And what they have in terms of hands-off operation. I look forward to visiting the tech center and seeing what's going on there. So my next step is to probably get a very good system overview, training overview up in Cranberry, and then come back and sit down with plant personnel shift by shift and show them how to go through the FLX and do some troubleshooting on the FLX. I just have to get it all into my head. The FLX is a powerful tool. Smart FLX is what I have. So, I learn every day on that thing. I really want to get much more knowledge and pass it on. It's been, whether it's phone support or Conair sends somebody or their rep brings people out. Sometimes I don't have the time to resolve an issue and they take over and resolve it. So both, Global Premier Sales and Conair have been great.